boys are back with Hannah. These boys' toys are back with Hannah. He left the jumpies. Hey.
Hi. My name's Hannah. I love to play
And
games.
we're gonna do motorcycles. We're gonna do motorcycles today. No, we're gonna do Teddy. Share, Teddy. Ooh, what is it? Oh, look at all that chocolate. I'm gonna eat the biggest one. No way. Crack it. Crack it. Can I crack it? I'm gonna crack it. You can hear every little sound. Yes, you can. Crack it. Crack it. Right here. No, it doesn't work. Ah! Oh, you crack.
What do you guys got there?
The big ones. We don't know. We're eating.
Why don't you show the camera what you guys opened up instead of eating chocolate?
What is it? What is it? I must have.
What do you got there?
It's some people.
Leave it. Let me see it.
Look, it's plates. Look.
Show it to the camera.
Have a red guy, a blue guy, and a yellow guy. See? Look.
Let me see them.
They're actually bottle caps.
Ah, pretty cool, huh? All right. Next.
Next egg. Open it. I'm opening it if you're not going to do it. No, it's my turn to open it. I'm going to crack it. Can I crack it? You cracked it last time.
Hey.
Crack it.
So who is the stuffed animal you have with you, Julian?
Timmy! Oh, no, where is he?
What do you have there?
I don't know.
What do you got there? Why don't you talk and open up the egg and not worry about the chocolate so much? Looks like you guys have never eaten chocolate.
Hannah. I can't get it out.
Wow, that chocolate must be really good. Is it as good as Hershey Park chocolate?
No. What is it?
Mm.
It's a bomb. Not the helmet.
What do you got?
I can't get it out.
Squeeze it.
Ah!
There you go. Show it to the
The helmet.
camera. Hold it in your hand. Let me see it. Oh wow, nice
Wait, where's
blue
the-
racing
Oh,
helmet.
here's the plates. Another cracker.
All right. What else they got there?
Truck coming right up.
Put your garbage in the bowl. How delicious is the chocolate?
Good.
Mmm.
Can I crack it? Mm-hmm.
Crack it like
Can I
an
get the
egg.
biggest one? Thank you.
Man, it's almost as if you guys have never had candy before.
Not really good. Hey, it's another blue helmet.
All right, now you guys get to share for the blue helmet.
Can I crack it? No, I know it's the wrong one. It's a motorcycle, the blue motorcycle.
All right, that's an awesome
Let me put the stickers
one.
on.
Look at that blue motorcycle.
Let
Wow.
the sticker go. I can't. Oh, that goes right there.
Nice. Why don't you show it to the camera? Hold it just in your hands, right where your hands are.
There's one more left. Let me open this one. I'm putting the stickers on.
All right. Next up,
Crack today.
what do you got there, Jay? Oh, look at that. Why don't you guys try opening the egg up before you shove all the chocolate in your mouth? To all the viewers out there, we do feed our children, but apparently they're eating like they haven't been fed.
And they're off a green motorcycle.
All right, look at that green motorcycle. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
You need having more chocolate than that.
Wow. All right, last but not least, the final egg has come.
And then the video ends. And check on Amazon to subscribe. Then we just watch the show. Check on Facebook to subscribe. Huh? Check on YouTube to subscribe. Which is
Subscribe.
subscribe.
Yes, to all the viewers, hopefully you guys will view. We will have a YouTube channel. Like us.
Big one, big one.
Thumbs up.
Big one.
What do we got here, boys? What's in the egg? Hey, Hannah, what's in the egg? Maybe Hannah can tell us. I don't know what they're doing over there. They're fighting all this chocolate. What is going on with these two? I think they had too much sugar. Once again, we do feed our children. Can you please open the egg?
Okay.
What have we found? A
A
blue.
motorcycle keychain.
Alright, blue motorcycle keychain. Throw it up. See it? Throw it up. Woo.
Throw it up.
Throw it up. No,
I know.
show it. Show the keychain.
Here comes the hand. Oh.
Oh, Hannah got the motorcycle.
Yay.
Alright, do we have anything else we have to say to the camera, boys?
Yeah. No. Yes.
What did we say, G?
The Beach Boys are back with chocolate butter and proof everybody.
And what else you say, Dante?
And what are these? And
Bottle
chicken
caps.
thighs. Bottle caps are one. Chocolate butters.
Alright, what do we say?